Hey guys, what we're going to do in this video is going to be real brief, but it's going to be a way to create a printable material list based off of your budget view. So this is a little bit of a workaround, but we're going to just show you kind of how we're doing it so that we can produce material lists for guys in the field. So we are in a job and we have built a budget for a front landscape bed that has mulch, rock, stone edging, some plants, got a few plants in there, some grasses, and some stone. And we've got another landscape bed in the front. And we want to be able to just see what the material is, because if this was just the front landscaping, we could say, okay, we know that we need 4.2 yards of mulch. But if we have multiple services of that service in the job, we want the software lifting the weight of the math for us. So what we've set up is a custom view called Landscape Materials. And the way it looks, it outputs is that it groups the materials and items into their own group. So every time fabric is used, we see that it's used twice here, and it adds it together here at the top. Stone edging is used twice. In the front yard, it's 3,400 pounds. In the backyard, it's 1,200 pounds. Same for stone, mulch, and the rest of the materials, which enables us to then export to a PDF. And so now we'll have a PDF that we can open. And it looks something like this. And we can then print this off. Now here's how we set this view up. We come to this gear icon for the settings. We give it a name, purchase order, landscape materials, group by item name, and then we filter to the material, so that way labor and equipment isn't coming into this. And if you wanted to, you could also do cost code. The reason we are not going by cost code is because sometimes the rock that's used for landscape beds is also used behind retaining walls. And so we can't attach a material to a specific trade or service. So we're just kind of going by the materials, and that's how we're filtering this out. So, and then we select our views that we want to have to show up on that purchase order. Things like lead time, any kind of details, internal notes, SKU numbers, preferred suppliers, and that's how we're producing material lists using the budget views